furniture. Furniture is a necessity in today's world. I mean, can you imagine living a life without a coffee table, without tables, without chairs, or even a bed to sleep on? Probably not. But the thing is that not many people can afford high-end, expensive, fancy furniture to furnish their homes because most of the time people don't even own their own homes. They're either renting out apartments or renting out other people's houses. So this is where low-end but stylish furniture comes into the market because low-end furniture is number one, it's affordable, it's beautiful, and it makes your house feel like a home. But the thing is that when you order this low-end furniture, like from places like IKEA, they don't send you the furniture directly. Rather, they send you a box. And inside of this box, there are all of the pieces, the screws, the screwdrivers, and a clear instructions manual on how to manufacture or assemble this type of furniture. But now the real problem arises is that when it's time to pack up and move again and you're hiring a moving company, most of the time they immediately say if you have low-end furniture like from the places like IKEA, then they won't be moving it because it's so fragile, it can easily break. So now you are left with one of the two options. Rather, sell this piece of furniture, or it can end up destroying a beautiful landscape like this one behind me. And most of the time, you can't even sell this piece of furniture, so it ends up in a landfill anyway. So here's where my unique thought comes into play. How about alongside with sending the boxes and sending everything, and it still has the clear instructions manual, there should also be another instructions manual on how to deassemble this type of furniture and put it back into the box like how you originally found it. That way, you can easily pack up your entire life and move to your next destination without the hassle of throwing this one away, then going to your new location and buying a brand new one. And this will save us time, money, and more importantly, the environment. And I get it, that by putting in another instructions manual on how to deassemble the furniture, companies or manufacturers, they won't be getting much profit from this. Rather, they would be losing some because now they have to put in research into figuring out how to deassemble it and how to put it back into the box. But I'm sure saving the environment is worth a few bucks. What do you think about this unique thought? And by any chance, if you are somehow directly or indirectly related to a company like IKEA, and if you're watching this video, try bringing it up in your next meeting and see how it goes. Anyway, if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought just by low-end furniture, then you can too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!